Hello friends, I'm Dr. Anup Kumar. Welcome to the channel Farm Ease. Today I'm going to explain you what is the ternary phase diagrams and its significances. How do we plot the ternary phase diagram? So basically friends, ternary phase diagram is represented by a triangular shape curve or a figure in which the different combinations of three different components is taken. Usually these components are taken in either in the 100% weight ratios or in a fractions, but it should be equal to 1. Say 1, how it is possible that the one component is 0.1, b component is 0.3, and the rest component will, the c component will be 0.6. So the total aggregate value should comes out to be 1. Another method is if a component a is 10%, b is 20%, and the obviously the c component will be your 70%. So it has that, it maybe you can plot the 100% on a particular axis, or you can make a combination of two 80 20 or 50 on that particular combinations. Friends, phase diagrams is basically, as I've shown here, this has a triangular type representations. Or what exactly it represent the different behavior. I have shown here that it is a line or the area I have shown. You can plot that this is a dot 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 type symbols in that particular area. As I've shown this area A3, I've calculated the area also. So this phase diagram is basically represent the behavior, how these three combination exist together. It may be a component system, or three component systems. It may be it may behave like a monophase or single phase or double phase. How it represent physically, it is basically a graphing tools. We know that the area is look like that, which represent how it these component mixture is behave. To start with the phase diagrams, so as I have mentioned that this is a triangular phase diagram, so I have taken for the simplicity, this is the surfactant and aqueous and the oil phase. As we know, emulsion is formed, nano emulsion is formed, micro emulsion, core systems, micellar system is formed, or reverse micellar system. A number of different systems may be present in the three component mixtures consisting of the surfactant, aqueous phase, or the oil phase. Here you can see here 100% of a particular component in this axis. This is the aqueous phase. Aqueous phase is 100% here, and aqueous phase is 0% it in this line. So it means if it is present at 100%, if you are moving downward, you will see that this is a 0%, this is 10%, 20%, 30%, and so on. You will get 100%. Similarly, surfactant is 100% at this point. If this axis is representing 100, this point represent 100%, then moving in the opposite direction, you will find that the surfactant here is 0, and this region represent, this axis represent the aqueous phase line, and this represent the surfactant line, and this is the aqueous phase line. Here the aqueous phase is 100%. If we are moving downward toward in the opposite direction, we will see that here is 0%. Suppose, what is this particular point? Here the surfactant and the aqueous phase present in the 40-60 ratios. Similarly, if I choose the particular point, this, what is this? Here the particularly the one component is 40%, second component is 60%, while the third component is 0% absent here. Similarly, to plot a single component, we have to point at a particular axis. So since it is 100% here, if we have to plot the two different components while the third component is 0, we have to look at that particular line. And if we have to plot the three different combination, we have to move into the graphical regions. So as I've taken at this particular point, it is represented as 36% of x, 40% of the y, and so on. If we are moving at that particular point, is say for example at here, it shows that x is 68%, 86%, y is 8%, while the second component will be subtracted from the aggregation from the sum of these two. So friends, basically this is a excellent graphing tools for the phase diagram. You can easily calculate the different component in the weight percentage or in the fractions, and it is being plotted directly from the Excel, and this Excel sheet will convert ternary phase diagrams. You have to choose this ternary phase diagrams. The important feature of this software is that you can calculate how much is the area. Sometimes areas is very important. Suppose this particular region is more and this particular region is less, how will you compare? Just you compare the area wise, or you can see that a particular passage is available for the making different systems. So it is a very significant feature of this. So basically this is a different region can be mentioned here, that this one is, as I've mentioned here, that this one is green areas representing coarse region, or this particular two different shaded region, and this is transparent region. You can also plot the heterogeneous system, bicontinuous systems, or monophase, depend upon your requirements. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this information interesting. Give your comments on this videos. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.